Hello friends, my name is MS Akhtar and I'm having a 35 years of experience in the field of ground experience in HSE and I have just retired and started sharing my knowledge and experience so that you can, if you are willing to enter in this field or you want to gain more knowledge or you want to grow in this field. So you keep watching my video, subscribe my video, like my video and comment on the what you want, from where you are watching, so that I can prepare accordingly video so that you can increase your knowledge and I can assist you in developing your career. So in this video, I am going to discuss about one of the major equipment which we use on every construction site and everywhere we are using. And it is a very useful equipment, but it is very dangerous. Many of the accidents happen because of this tool. So in this video, grinding, as I said, it is a very commonly used material for surface preparation or surface after welding, making up the giving the finishing shape, finishing. And while effective, improper use can pose very serious hazards to the workers, as I said. It can break, which I will explain in the coming slides. So key hazards I will explain with the respective control measures. So this is a typical drawing of the grinder, which you might have seen everywhere. There is a locking nut is there, a spindle is there, tool rest, and the dead man switch. Dead man switch, you know it, what is dead man switch means. If one person is holding it, if by accidentally if they release from the hand, it will it will stop immediately. If it is not there, then what can happen? The wheel keep on running and it can have a major accident. And the cable bases, some of the few grinders are coming with the battery operated also, but mainly it is electrical cords. So what are the common hazards in this? Contact with rotating, any if the grinder is rotating and anything can caught in between, it can come in contact. There are sparks, as you can see in the picture. Sparks are flowing, flying. Chips can be. Wheel can be break if the RPM value, which I will explain in the next slide. The wheel can break if the RPM value is not showing. Electrical, because it is electrically operated, electric shock can occur. Fire hazard because of the surrounding of the, if it is the surrounding some flammable combustible materials there, the spark and caught fire. Ergonomic strain and noise exposure. Okay. So what are the control measures? Use machine guards. As you can see, there is a machine guard is here. So the machine guard should be in place always, so that something which is coming to you can be stopped there. And we are always appropriate personal protective equipment, goggles, gloves, face shield, hearing protection. Ensure grinding wheels are properly mounted and inspected before use. Keep flammable material away from. I have explained you the hazards and these are the control measures. Maintain electrical cables in condition, grounding, provide training and correct use of to the users. So safe work practices: never use a damaged or unapproved grinding wheels. Stand to one side of the wheel during setup. Do not exceed the maximum operating speed of the wheel. Keep the work area clean and well lit. Always turn off machine when not in use. So this is the typical, it's just a sample. There are different numbers are there. So you can see this is the grinding wheel, which is having a RPM value, some safety features, what is standard it is prepared, item number and all these things you can see, and you should know what are all these things. Because when you are procuring, if it come as a HSC professional to approve it, you should know the how it looks like, and what are all these things are there. So to summarize, grinding machine pose serious hazards if not used in a safe manner. Always follow standards, training and inspections. Inspection is very important. Periodic inspection, daily inspection before use, monthly inspection is with a sticker color coding that I will explain in a later of in the next video. I am going to explain you what are the OSHA standard which you should know, should comply, that grinding will should comply, and then what in one of the video I will explain what to do and what not to do, so that you know, so that as a HSE professional you can inspect, you can train the people. Thank you for watching this video, and I request all of you to please subscribe my channel, like my channel, and give your comments. Thank you.